not sure how the quality of this is gonna come out. I just got the Action 5 Pro from DJI because I wanted something else to film on, because currently I film on my Osmo Pocket. This is it. I wanted something a little bit smaller and compact and isn't as sensitive, because Osmo has its gimbal and it's pretty sensitive. So I wanted something that I can pull out that's very small and compact to vlog more outside content, like b-roll and stuff like that. So you guys are going to be seeing me film. This is my first impression is nice. I was honestly deciding between this and the new DJI 360 cam with the front and back camera. But the thing that made me hesitant about it was I was worried about the 360 part of it. It was tripping me out. I'm not gonna lie. Looking at the footage was giving me a headache. Looking at the 360 view, wasn't a fan. But so far, I like the image quality on this. So far inside, I am gonna charge her because we are gonna head outside. We're gonna be jogging and doing a kind of like food crawl on this app called Good to Go. Good to Go. So you guys are gonna be seeing me vlog in real time. So it's going to be interesting. And when I start, I'll tell you all the pinpoints of where we're going to be heading and all that stuff. Should be really fun. So this is my, again, first impressions, where I think it's good so far. Don't ask me why. The time is now 8:11, and I wanted to run to all 3 spots, but just because of the time crunch and we need to make it to all 3 spots, we're gonna split up and conquer. So I'm gonna go to one, my boyfriend's gonna go to the second one, and then we're gonna rendezvous and meet up to run to the third one. So you guys come along with me as we go to pick up our order right now. Oh, and I change in everything. So if this vlog comes out super chronic, you'll know why. But at least you guys will get to see the night mode in this camera, because we're gonna be filming outside and it's dark. Okay, hi guys. So we got 2 good to go orders. One was from Dinosaur Barbecue. The other one is from, what was it? Donut Plant. Donut Plant.
Yeah. So we want to apologies.
Yeah. So went on a little walk, we're back, we're exhausted, and we picked up our 2 good to go orders, which was the donut, some wings, some horn, and some stuff I'm going to show you in a second. I'm just catching my breath, of course. You guys like this wash and go? I'm also, like, again, testing out the camera some more so you guys can see it. But yeah, so we have this bonnet here. Got, like, 4 random hair ties, because this is what I use. And then we're just going to put our hair away. In the city, I feel like Jimmy Neutron. I'm just trying to get him fun. Like, I know. Another one. Last one. And now bonnet time. Are you with me? I never thought about doing this angle, but like honestly, when I do my hair, I really could do this angle. Like it's not bad at all. What do we think? So far, so good. I'm gonna let you guys know how it looks when I color grade everything, but hopefully she eats. It's a long day. I'm exhausted. So don't judge, but yes, I eat from my bed. So here's one of the pizzas that I got. This one is from, sorry, this is in Metropolitan in Brooklyn, and this is it, so you guys can see it in the flesh. Okay. And then these are from Dinosaur Barbecue, the wings. I'm currently in the process of getting ready. Yesterday, I took a class, a filming class, just like as a little side quest. And honestly, it put so much things in. Oh, wait, I forgot to prep my face. Sorry. I know, in this economy, I shouldn't even be wasting a drop, baby, a drop. Okay, so we're practically ready. I just took out my bonnet, so I'm taking down my hair. I go in with my Sacred Drops. I got this from the Ulta's 21 Day of Beauty because they had it on sale. And put that on my hair. I feel like this side has more defined curls than this side, but Wash and Go is like 5 or 4 days old. But we're gonna keep her. Okay, I'm kind of making it on time. It's 11:34, right? So I'm kind of still making it on time. I'm about to just do these last finishing touches. Contour a little bit, of the face. Yeah, contour. Yeah, that ate. So we're gonna using the Makeup Forever and then this MAC color. I do need to get some more lip combos, but in due time. So let's spray the face one more time. Yo, like, I'm telling you, I cannot wait to get my Genesis spray, like, bro. But we'll use the Fenty one for now. Okay, let me just do my last minute things and then I'll meet you guys outside. Right now we are on this place and it's actually pretty good here. Like, when I tell you it came to me, I was scrolling on Instagram and it randomly came to me. I was like, wow, that's actually insane. And then I actually found this place and it's really nice. It's Korean. We had all these small plates. We killed it. This is it. We killed it. It's gone. Done. And then right now we're about to try the cake that we got from Red Gate Bakery. It's a peach caramel cardamom cake. And I'll show you guys the cake. And if you guys are ever in New York City, Red Gate Bakery, they change their flavors so often that it's definitely worth checking out. But here we go. The big reveal. Okay, didn't do it justice, sorry. This is what the cake looks, this is what the flavor looks like. Okay, not bad, it's pretty good.